Where are you going? Where are you going? Say that floor is icky, but you keep escaping. Yeah, you keep escaping. Careful. Hey, put the binky in the sink so I can wash it off. Put it in the sink, please. No, put it in the sink. It's yucky. Hey. Or just let her stick it back in her mouth. Oh. Baby girl, where are you going?
It's babies. Get back.
No, I'm going to wash it. Oops. Say, Mommy can't throw it either.
Mama. Babies.
It's dirty.
Come back. Get back. Back.
No, 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 no. No.
I get back too.
No. Where are you going? Say, we're going to have to wash our hands. Where are you going? Hey, you little stinky butt. So you're not supposed to be in here anyway. Can you say, Kylie, can you say bye-bye? Kylie, say bye-bye. You hear Jake? Bubba, don't hit her in the face, please. No, 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 don't put your hands in your mouth. Yucky. Where are you going? Kylie, you gonna follow Bubba? Where'd Bubba go? Oh, okay. He went over there? What's that? You did it. Kylie. Kylie. Psst, Kylie. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say you're not going anywhere else to go. Silly girl. Bye-bye.